go, boy king. Pepe's Los Angeles OBD official garage. Hi. I just want to see the aftermath.
By all means, go ahead. Online?
Yes. Are you live?
Oh, I know you. What's your name?
Hollywood Happenings.
Karen.
Here. Yeah.
Oh, hi, I'm Tim.
Nice to meet you, Tim.
Nice to meet you.
Tim Pingo.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. You're live right now?
I am live.
So am I.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. I don't think I've ever gotten to run into you.
No, I haven't either.
You saw they had not cleaned this mess up, I guess.
No, I have an appointment today.
Oh.
So I thought I'm going to come up this way.
I thought it would be gone,
I
so I
did too.
drove by. But it took them all night to put this new utility pole up.
Wow.
That's all. They mowed that over, so this is all brand new.
They still got the dump truck sitting there
Yeah,
too.
and they just been all morning just moving it like 10 feet.
Tim Pingo.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. You're live right now?
I am live.
So am I.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever gotten to run into you.
No, I haven't either.
You saw they had not cleaned this mess up, I guess.
No, I have an appointment today.
Oh.
So I thought I'm going to come up this way.
I thought it would be gone,
I
so I
did too.
drove by. But it took them all night to put this new utility pole up.
Wow.
That's all. They mowed that over, so this is all brand new.
They still got the dump truck sitting there
Yeah,
too.
and they just been all morning just moving it like 10 feet.
Wow.
And you were able to access over there. Really, you kind of still can if you go around the sidewalk, but there's like 5 cars just
I just want, how,
bundle right there.
do they actually go into the building?
I don't see a hole in the building.
That's what I was trying to
Shot.
figure out.
Just shot.
Yeah, by the way it looked, it sure looked like it did.
And I got guys in my live whose work is big record guys. They're saying that truck weighs like 50,000 pounds.
Oh, I bet it does. And it's got dirt in it. So this is the new pole they had to put up. Oh my. See if I can get in the shade.
Back that
Yeah.
way just so we can keep an eye on everyone. Back up this way.
I'm backing up.
No, keep going. Turn around though and walk so that way you don't fall. Keep going that way. You don't have any injuries or anything like that.
I got you. Excuse me. Fireman told me to move.
They did it in the air and pull a trailer on you.
Do you want to recap? Because you was here earlier for my live.
Yeah, so this truck was parked up the road
Up
last
that way.
night. Nobody was in it, but it was full of dirt and the brakes just went out on it, which is typical in these big trucks.
Yeah.
That's why they have runaway truck ramps. And the truck just naturally went a little bit at an angle. Otherwise, it would have just went rolling into Sunset Hill.
That would have been really
Would've-
sad.
Couldn't even hit the gas station. But it mowed over that telephone utility pole and smashed. It ran over 6 cars. 4 of them are crumpled into a ball there, and it hit the Whiskey's wall,
But it didn't crash it in.
but it didn't go through the wall. It's amazing. And it's basically where it landed. It was just pushed over another 12 feet and in a little bit. They've essentially just pulled it out to the street where they're going to have to lift it in the air. This is a heavy, heavy duty lift.
Right here.
And he'll lift up like the front half, and then the other one in the back will lift up the back half, I believe, I'm guessing. And then back up the huge trailer here, and probably just roll that trailer under it. Does this kind of work, tells me they make, I think, $1,500 an hour per truck.
Wow.
What they're being paid to do this work. Is that right, Mike? Is it per truck, or is it? Is it just overall? Well, it's 3 companies, so it has to be the truck.
Now this is at the whiskey, guys. Let's just go zoom in.
Larry, and today. The 3 different companies. That's a big flipper. That's a 75-ton rotator called Big Flipper.
75-ton rotator.
It'll lift. Oh, it'll lift the whole thing by itself. Wow.
Wow. That truck right there lift that by itself.
That's impressive.
Wow.
That can
Well, they're not
lift
gonna. When they start lifting that, they're gonna make it move. We're here at the whiskey where a dump truck lost. The band that was supposed to perform last night was Boys Hits Cars. That was the band that was supposed to perform last night. No one was injured. That's good. Good thing. Oh, look. Let me zoom in. See that? They've got it hooked up, ready to lift. And according to somebody in Tim Hingel's chat, they said that thing could lift up to 75,000 pounds. See if we can get the name of the company. Look what's coming, guys. Yeah, nobody was hurt. This happened. This is the iconic Whiskey A Go Go. Boys Hit Car was supposed to perform last night, and a dump truck came rolling down the hill, lost control. Brakes failed. The driver wasn't in the car, but the brakes failed. Hit a mail truck. Hit 6 cars in there, and narrowly misses crashing into the building. A friend of mine, oh look, there's a drone, guys. It's moving. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Somebody should move that. I'm gonna move this bottle over here. It's not mine. like button. See if we can get me up to 5,000. Hit the like button, share the live, spread the love. Share the live, spread the love. Well, good afternoon to you.
It's going to be a good part of the day. Because there's still 3 cars on the other side of the wall that are smashed against the wall.
It's great that good. Like this.
It's like paper thin against the wall.
So how long do you think it'll be before they get this up on the flatbed?
I'm sorry, what?
How long do you think it'll be before they get this on the flatbed?
Oh, not long, maybe 30 minutes. Yeah, they want to make sure they, do it carefully and safely, so they have to be extra careful.
Yeah, when they start lifting that, I'm backing up.
Take time and do it right, then rush and then create a different problem.
Yeah, then have it to fall off and then work. But these people are still standing in the workers, so.
Well, these guys know what they're doing. I guess they're taking pictures. Yeah, he's got a drone up. Did you see the drone? This guy is amazing. I've seen him on the freeway.
Oh, this is the guy right here that's working the zone.
Insurance stuff? This is a private company. It's not the insurance. Oh, right. Well, I'm pretty sure the insurance. So what happened? The brakes went out. I think the brakes, something, I don't know.
The brakes failed. But there was nobody in the truck. We're going to have a flying truck in a minute.
Oh, that's dope. Technology, huh? Very, very
Hi. Are you recording or live? I'm live. Oh, just a bit. It would have been cheaper to fix their brakes, huh? Hey, Daisy. We're outside the Whiskey. Amazing. The band that was supposed to perform here last night was called Boy Hits Car. So, truck hits cars. I'm doing good. I gotta go for my an annual appointment. I'll probably wait till the truck gets out here, and then I'm gonna go. And then I'll probably come back and see if it's still going on my way back.
Sort of like leaning against the LA River, like hanging off the side of
Hey, Brandy. We're at an update to the breaking news from yesterday, Brandy.
the other guy.
This is outside the iconic Whiskey A Go Go.
Oh yeah, he's like
The band that was supposed to perform is called Boyd Hits Car last night. So a dump truck crashed down the hill, hit a mail truck, crashed into 6 cars, which you know the cars are totaled. You can see by looking at that, and nearly missed crashing into the back of the Whiskey.
a lot of those people went down. There's that gate, there's stairs downstairs, and all the people where that has to be cleaned up. You don't want anything to go into the stone drain too, so we can clean it up. And make sure they dispose it from Here they come.
Thank you for the follow. Now they're doing alignment to get underneath there. You see the busted out window. Yeah, this is the accident from yesterday that happened 2 o'clock, where the disc dump truck rode down that hill, rode all the way down, hit a mail carrier, crashed into 6 cars, nearly missed crashing into the back of the Whiskey A Go Go. Hey Daisy, can you take some screenshots for me and send them to me if you're still in here? The guy in the orange shirt got in the way. Orange shirt.
This truck. Oh, okay, okay, okay. He just the driver. There you go.
Doesn't matter. The company's going to be in trouble for not maintaining the brakes.
La mañana, la mañana,
They got it in the air, Hollywoodland.
He took the other guy's number. The other owner of the car.
No celebrities. This is an update to a breaking news story from yesterday. Hey Jamie. This is an update to breaking news from yesterday. It's outside the Iconic Whiskey. Does anyone know what? I've been saying it the whole time. Now you can see it on the truck. closer, you're going to lose the idea. Nope, trailer's big enough. It did not, as far as I know, it did not crash into the back of the building, which is amazing. I got a good angle of it. But my bus is getting ready to come.